Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you one of the most revolutionary gadgets of the modern age, the Viar Shinecon 10.0 Helmet 3D Glasses Virtual Reality Casque. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's talk about this incredible piece of technology. The Viar Shinecon 10.0 is not just a regular pair of 3D glasses, it's a gateway to a whole new world of immersive experiences. Imagine turning your smartphone into the ultimate 3D machine for games and split-screen movies. With over 1,000 plus VR apps on both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store, the possibilities are endless. But what sets the Viar Shinecon 10.0 apart from the rest is its attention to detail and user comfort. The high-quality optical lenses provide a clearer view and more vivid experiences. The adjustable straps ensure that you can wear it for hours without feeling any pressure on the bridge of your nose. And for those who wear glasses, there's no need to worry. The Viar Shinecon 10.0 is designed to accommodate all users, including those with up to 600 degrees of myopia. What's more, it's not just about the visuals. The device is equipped with anti-blue light, anti-reflection, and reduced radiation technologies, making it safe and comfortable to use for extended periods. The 120-degree wide viewing angle allows for a truly cinematic experience, and it supports smartphones ranging from 5.5 to 7.2 inches, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. But that's not all. The Viar Shinecon 10.0 comes with a mysterious gift and can be used with a wireless Bluetooth controller for an even more immersive gaming experience. The built-in lithium battery ensures a working time of up to 40 hours, and its ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hands for ultimate control and comfort. So, if you're ready to step into the future of entertainment, make sure to check out the Viar Shinecon 10.0 through the link in the description. Trust me, this is an investment in your entertainment and comfort that you won't regret. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.